Welcome. If you want to stay connected and never miss when someone tags you on Facebook, especially from friends of friends, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to allow tag notifications from friends of friends on your Facebook page using your computer. With the latest Facebook update, the process is straightforward, and I'll guide you every step of the way. First, open your browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see all your pages listed. Now, select the page you want to manage. Click on the page's profile photo to enter the page itself. Once you're on your page, look for the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it and then select Settings from the expanded menu. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left-hand side. Scroll down and find Notifications. Click on it and then look for the Tag section within the notification settings. Here's where you can customize who can notify you when you're tagged. To allow notifications from friends of friends, simply choose the Friends of Friends option. This setting ensures you'll be notified whenever someone who is a friend of your friend tags you, making it easier to stay in the loop and engage with a wider community. Once you've made your selection, your preferences are automatically saved. That's it. You've successfully updated your tag notification settings for your Facebook page. Now you won't miss out on any important tags, whether they come from close friends or friends of friends. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.